Hi everyone and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you some of my projects that you know one of the reasons why I'm still here in Doha, Qatar for how many years? For already 13 years. And this is one of the biggest project that I am currently um, pursuing, which is my very own house. So currently, I already have my own house in the Philippines, and it's it's kind. I don't like the design. It's very, how do you call this? It's subdivision type where um, very similar to other residents. So, I want to be different. I want to be unique. So that's why after 4 months of working with the designs with our friend and engineer, um, with so many revisions done, because it's very difficult. He's in the Philippines and I'm here in Doha, Qatar. So he sends the plan, the design, and I kind of disagree some of the design. So he has to redo it again. And finally, after 4 months, it's already completed, and soon it's going to be work in progress to realize and have this physical. It's not just about the design. It's not only about papers, but also make this into reality, bring this into life. So I'm very excited to share with you the plans, and hopefully by next year when I come home to the Philippines, I will be able to stay in this new house. So yeah, this is the design. It's a 9-bedroom house, 2 floors and one with a roof deck. And so there's a master's bedroom at the lower ground floor and another guest room, and then on the second floor are all guest rooms, and on the roof deck there's also one room for our helpers, or it's called as a maid's quarter, but we don't really have a maid. Yeah, so but we have some working students that stays at home, so that will be their room. And the guest rooms, maybe you're wondering why there's so many guest rooms. I'm single, I'm alone. And what do I have to do with the guest rooms? Well, apparently can rent the rooms at the second floor, either through Airbnb or for anyone outside from our city that is looking for a space to rent. Especially because in my city where my current house is located, there is a new mall which is only 5 minutes walk from our house. There's a new mall that is currently being built or under construction. It's the KCC Mall, and so this is very close to our residents. So for sure, there will be a lot of future employees in that mall who will be looking for a room to rent. So that's my plan, to let the second floor rent. So there are 6 rooms on the second floor and 2 rooms on the lower ground floor. So 1 master's bedroom and 1 guest room, which is enough for myself and for my dad who's staying with me. Uh, and then on the roof deck, there's one more room for our working students. Yeah, so that's really the plan. Okay, so let's have a look at the design. Thank you to our friend, our family friend, and the engineer who designed this house perspective. Engineer Ed Navarra, thank you so much. If you wanted to contact him, I'm going to share his Facebook profile, a link of his Facebook profile on the description, and perhaps I will also share his mobile number. So if you would like to contact him to for house designs and so on, so you can contact him. So this is going to be materialized starting January next year. We will start building. First is we will start demolishing the existing house, and then after demolishing they will start the construction for this house in 2022. So I'm going also to provide some updates. I will ask my family in the Philippines to take some video and send me some updates so I can also share with you.